Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write essay on how I spent summer holidays. Let's start the video. During my summer holidays, I had the wonderful opportunity to spend time at my home with my family. It's a time to relax and have fun with friends and family. I enjoyed playing indoor and outdoor games. We had gone on a trip and enjoyed a lot. I attended some summer classes to improve my art skills. Most of my time I spent watched many movies and TV shows. I also spent a lot of time doing my favorite hobbies like painting and reading. I completed my holiday homework before the end of the vacation. Overall, my summer vacation was a memorable and enjoyable experience. I loved and enjoyed my summer vacation very much. Thank you friends. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more such videos.